This is the Wi-Fi alarm system for motion sensor and door sensor with panel. This is Wi-Fi panel. You can connect with Wi-Fi directly. First, you have to connect your network with 2G network, not 5G, 2.4G. After device make on, make a reset here. The light will blink here one time. Okay, after come to smart life application. Okay, add new device. Sometimes directly coming, if not coming, you can go sensors and Wi-Fi, sensor Wi-Fi. Okay, you have to add your Wi-Fi password and confirm the blinking. Okay, your Wi-Fi device will adding. This device will automatically add here. Okay, now device is added. Okay, now I'm trying to.
Arming.
Okay.
Defense area alarm.
Muscle detection will get. Okay. This one.
Disarm.
Okay. Again, check. Okay, now disarm. Now I'm making arming. After I remove the sensor.
Defense area alarm.
The siren will come. This is the method of adding device.